Ah, but wait, there's more! Of course I think that is. We got a train coming in, approaching in, of course from West Virginia here, so keep your eyes peeled, so here we go! It is 1:10 p.m. this afternoon. We got the CSX eastbound coming, approaching here. Oh, there it goes. There goes the locomotive. So there she goes. What could it be similar today on the next train accident, right after the R122-05? Could it be M316? Yep, it is. I think I got it right. Alright, we got the CSX M316-05 eastbound mixed freight train. It is on its way to the destination to the Cumberland, Maryland Yard, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go.
Chilling. Just actually getting back from walking for a second.
Now this is getting serious.
No, he's reading. Every time he comes out of my music, well, no success.
At least you're trying. Keep it up. I like that. It's a good idea. That way you can avoid having accidents.
Yeah. Okay.
And walkers typically have 2 missile barrels too.
We walked for about an hour straight, man. No breaks. That's a little walk.
Yep. Make sure you drink water too.
Yeah, that's what's in here, water.
Sounds like you're doing all the right stuff. Let's see if your body agrees. Y'all have a good day.
Yep.
If my body doesn't agree, then I don't know what to tell you.
Tell your body, not me.
Yeah, right? You ever watch this stuff?
Don't bite me.
Yeah,
Oh, you watched it? Oh,
it's called Ted.
yeah, Ted. Guess they're making a Ted baby. A Ted baby, a teddy bear baby.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, time's running out because the disc golf league is on the way. We gotta hurry. We'll get ready till the end of the train video on this my corner of my train filming on my camcorder. So let's see what we can do. Come on. How much longer is it going to take? Okay, look for the Lions. One more crazy interruption, and all your nuts are going in extension. There's a cushion coil car, CSX. The brand new one right there. CSX new logo, cushion coil car belly, or something like that. This is the brand new, the color black. Paint scheme to take them over. And that's the end of the train, folks. Similar on the train to CSX, m316-29. Let's try it again. Similar on the train to CSX, m316-05. Eastbound mixed freight train. That train originates from the Queensgate Yard, Cincinnati, Ohio, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at the Cumberland Yard. That often works from the Russell, Kentucky, Grafton, and Kaiser, West Virginia, Rowan route. So, this is Josh Ryan, your local Central and Southern West Virginia rail fan, and we are out. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em!